Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Gold!
Today we will learn how to make eggless chocolate pancakes at home. These are super easy to make and can be served at breakfast or even as a dessert post lunch or dinner. You can even serve this as an evening snack and is a great hit among kids. So let's get right to it. In a bowl, take 1 cup of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and mix it together. Now put a sieve on top of the bowl. Add 1 cup or 145 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we will run everything through the sieve. This will help break any lumps and also is a great way to incorporate air, which makes the pancakes even more fluffy. Now we will remove the sieve and add a pinch of salt. We will mix everything together. We want to form a smooth batter. At this point, you can add more milk if required. Always start with 1 cup milk and add as much as required at this stage. Add milk little by little to make sure that you get the right consistency. I have added 1 cup of milk initially and 1/3 cup more right now. You can add more or less if needed. We want a loose string consistency. And your focus should be to get the right consistency. Now keep this aside and we will make our chocolate sauce. For that, in a milk pan, take 1 tablespoon or 20 grams of unmelted butter, add half cup of room temperature milk and let the milk come to a boil. After that, keep the flame on low and add 100 grams or half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate. Now we'll mix this together on a low flame, and once it starts coming together, we will turn off the flame before the mixture comes to a boil. Now we will keep this aside. It's time to make our pancakes. For that, we will take a pan and add a little butter. Grease the entire pan with the butter. And then add 1/3 cup of our batter. Cook the pancake on a low flame. In about 2 to 3 minutes, you will start seeing bubbles on top of the pancake. It is now time to flip the pancake. And cook for an additional minute or 2. Look at the air bubbles that have been formed in our pancake, and that means our pancakes are super fluffy. We will repeat this process of adding butter and then the batter for the rest of the pancakes. This makes about 6 to 7 eggless chocolate pancakes. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe, we will then serve our pancakes. You can either stack them up or serve them individually. Pour our warm chocolate sauce on top of it. You will be shocked at how fast you run out of them, so make sure you make enough. Do try out this recipe. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I am sharing the link of the same in the comments section. If you prepare any of our dishes, do post a picture and tag us. We will be happy to feature you.